already taken one out of the box just to demonstrate how this little guy works. So there's two ways you can charge this. It comes with like a USB charger that you can plug in right here, right, and it just charges it up. Or this bottom part here, if you just unscrew this like so, like this, you can put the batteries in the bottom like that. The cool thing about this lantern, I have to say, is the three little magnetic little things at the bottom. Press this button here and it just lights up the very bright, I have to say. So that acts as like just a regular flashlight. Just hold it like that as you're walking around, like so. You've also got the beacon light. So like if you're pulled up on the side of the road, or you know, if there's a hazard in any way, you can let people know. And then you got the slow flashing light like that. Lift these side panels up here like this, like so, right? You see that? And all you do is you just pull up like this until it clicks, and that's the lower intensity of the light. Now this lantern is super bright, so you just raise her up even more, like so, and that's it.